Two things that can have unimaginable impact on your trading in a positive way. That's a topic for discussion today in the episode 23 of How to Become a Successful Trader from Market Secrets. So, what are the two things that can have unimaginable impact on your trading career? Number one, feedback loop. One of the healthy habits of trading is conducting a post analysis of your results on a regular basis. There is more involved in doing post trade analysis than merely keeping a trading log. Regularly analyzing your results provides you with a feedback loop. The basic premise of any feedback loop is that it allows for regulation and self governance within the system. Feedback also facilitates learning, that is, knowing what has been successful in the past allows you to apply the same approach in the present and future. For your feedback loop to be relevant, it must be employed consistently and regularly. For example, as part of my post trade analysis discipline, I do weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual evaluations to gather as much information about my trades as possible. Your feedback loop must have a schedule. If you only plug in occasionally for the feedback, the data will be random and unreliable. When you are making progress and trading is going well, doing a post trade analysis is painless. In fact, you will probably feel pretty good about yourself. But when you aren't trading so well, the analysis gets difficult to the point that you will probably try to avoid doing it. It is like any other difficult thing in life, such as working with a psychiatrist to analyze an unsuccessful relationship or a childhood trauma. It is painful. But analyzing what went wrong in that failed relationship or what happened during that difficult phase of your life will yield powerful results and even transformative lessons that will help you become more successful in your current life and your future. The same goes for trading. Growth comes from having the courage to look at difficult times and dissect what went wrong. So, creating and maintaining a consistent and regularly scheduled feedback loop is the first thing that can have unimaginable impact on your trading. So, what's the second one? That's nothing but excuses. One of the biggest roadblock of trading success and to success in general can be summed up in one single word: excuses. Taking personal responsibility is the most empowering thing you can do to become a super trader. In stock market, you can make money or you can make excuses, but you cannot make both. Do whatever it takes to eliminate your own personal excuses. Your road to success starts by taking responsibility. Don't blame outside factors for your lack of success. The best way to take control of your trading is to understand the math behind your results. This will put you on the road to success because you will know the truth and will become empowered. So, the excuse is the second thing that can have unimaginable impact on your trading. So, create a healthy feedback loop and completely avoid making any excuses. If you do these two things, then it can have an unimaginable impact on your trading career. So, do you have a proper feedback loop? And how often do you get the feedback from your feedback loop? Let us know in the comment section. Also include the general excuses or the reasons that you think you are failing in your trading. Let's discuss about this in detail in the comment section. So feel free to share your comments. This brings us to the end of today's episode. If you like this episode, hit the like button and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we conduct live sessions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.